That thing doesn't need a whole lot of IDs. It's just raw
Poggers.
stats.
Oh yeah, you have to. Yeah, okay.
Just raw stats is what you're after with tower.
Oh, you also did this. Wait, why? Oh, mana regen? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Where's my
Do
tier
some
3?
mana regen warp is
Slash
really
class.
nice.
Is it on the... What class is my tier 3 at? Are my tier 3 amps on?
Well, this
Oh, here they
world's
are.
done, so I'm gonna call it good for now.
Hey, I saw mythic. Cute. So,
Anyway.
no one is in for war? We
I'll
probably
come.
don't even...
I'll come help
no.
if we actually had a strategy for it, but
Yeah, never mind. I have to go to sleep soon anyway. Fuck that shit.
it's
Just
probably
don't
best
wanna...
to have chief on.
Yeah, I just don't want to ruin my trial period.
Because we wouldn't be able to set the HQ.
What? Just fun? I'm bored. No, I have to go to bed soon. Well, I want to go to bed soon. My girlfriend's gonna... Okay, let me roll your boots first, though. Like, I'm not gonna steal your boots. Bro. Do you really want to re-roll them, though? Like, be sure. And I'm gonna go to bed right now. No. But Pop, I'm not the boot roller anymore. Fuck. I'm so sorry. That's garbage.
I mean,
Bro. No, 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 no. Oh, that's so bad. I'm so sorry. No, 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 Pop. You can sell it for like 12 elite. Okay, yes. No, no. If you scrap it,
it's still 12 LE.
at least screenshot it. What the fuck? You know, you screenshot.